On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram followers count freeze easily and fast. Or what you have to do, guys, to fix this problem is actually very easy. First thing you want to do is open the Play Store or the App Store if you have the iPhone. Go to the search bar and search for Instagram like this. Now, all what you want to do here is very simple. Just check if you have this update option. You have to click on it so you update your Instagram. Because sometimes the problem is just because you don't have the latest version. And last thing you want to do is open the settings, go to the apps, open the apps manager, go to Instagram, click on storage, click on clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the end. See you later.